Having a child is one of the most cherished moments in one's life. While it comes naturally to some, it is still a distant dream to many. Over the last 10 years, Oasis Fertility has been committed to helping couples realize that dream.
10 years ago, when we started Oasis, we had a clear vision to build an ethical and sustainable institution that is known for its medical excellence in the field of reproductive medicine. We have been able to achieve that vision thanks to the relentless efforts of our highly committed clinical and scientific teams. With 15 centers pan-India and growing, the brand Oasis Fertility now represents a trusted platform in fertility and IVF. The platform stands on 4 pillars of excellence: clinical, scientific, technology and leadership.
Today, as one of the most respected healthcare institutions in the country and with 10,000 plus happy families, we are at the forefront of clinical excellence and patient outcomes.
We didn't want to just be an organization that was just going to give fertility services. There's a lot more, but our pride, or rather the ethos of this organization, is based on the fact that we want to provide, and we do provide, the most ethical practices in terms of fertility. The second thing is, each couple that comes to us for fertility treatments actually have a bit of an individualized attention as well as care that is given to them. And the most important thing is, the care and the services that are being provided to them is actually evidence-based. So we are actually at the top of the game in terms of the advances that fertility has at this point in time. Towards that, we actually have an organization in this which is called as OSHAM, which is a division of Oasis. And here, not only do we train our own internal doctors and students, but we also are a recognized National Institute for Training in Fertility aspect as well.
We have a very unique model where we strike a fine balance between the clinical excellence as well as the operational efficiency to provide a seamless experience to the couple in the journey to attain their parenthood.
Oasis Fertility's contribution to reproductive medicine has been well documented and rewarded, not just in India, but across the world. But it is the joy we see in our patients' eyes that make our journey more worthwhile.
We have made a lot of advancement in terms of technology, application of technology to patients, and what is more important is possibly individualizing this technology to every patient. We have improved upon our results not only based on technology but getting it right to our patient as per their needs. While doing this, we have not forgotten the rules, the laws that govern us. We have made it a very ethical practice.
All our clinicians are invited by leading institutions across the world to participate in key innovations and decisions.
In the last decade, we have now become the leading voice in offering advanced fertility treatments like pre-implantation genetic screening, pre-implantation genetic diagnosis, in vitro maturation (IVM), and we also have a very well equipped and well-running cryobiology unit which offers freezing of oocytes, sperms and embryos. This cryolab has led to a very unique initiative, fertility preservation in the country. Through fertility preservation, we have helped a lot of cancer survivors to complete their dream of parenthood.
Today, after 10 years of excellence, Oasis Fertility is a benchmark in fertility treatment in India.
Ultimately, our goal is very simple: to deliver the best possible outcomes for couples looking to experience a wonderful bond called family.